Hi everyone, my name is Siddhant Miglani and I'm working as a German language teacher by profession. Being a skilled and enthusiastic teacher with over 10 years of experience teaching students to achieve mastery in all the 4 sections, that is, reading, writing, listening and speaking. If I talk about my language journey, I have trained more than 5,000 students till date. So it's my pleasure to share my expertise and knowledge with my students to the fullest. Let me give you a short overview about our German courses. German language is categorized into 6 levels. Firstly, we have 2 beginner levels, A1, A2, then 2 intermediate levels, B1, B2, then at last we have 2 proficient levels, C1, C2. Now the question arises, why would you choose us and not other institutes? Now I'm going to share a couple of benefits that we provide to our students. Point number 1. We provide 80 hours of live teaching for A1 level. That's the first level of German language. Number 2. The cost of study material is Rs 2,500 and we provide this absolutely free of cost. Number 3. A course completion certificate will be issued which states that a student has successfully completed 80 hours of live teaching from our institute. Number 4. Every live session will be recorded. If a student misses any session due to some problem, he or she can watch the session anytime. Number 5. Personal mentor will be assigned to each and every student. Number 6. We arrange doubt clearing sessions after completion of the course. Number 7. To ensure personal attention to each and every student, we have a small batch size. I really hope that these benefits would enable students to achieve mastery over this language. So, if you have a passion towards German, book your 1-hour free masterclass now and get connected.